Hello, this is another episode of Dr. David. Today's experiment is going to be incredible expanding beads. Supplies from kit: 1 large test tube, polymer beads, stirring stick, yellow measuring spoon, beaker. Supplies from home: water. We use this to put it in the large test tube. And step 1, add 10 water absorbing polymer beads to the large test tube. So I already did that with this. And I'm gonna put these back. And then fill the beaker halfway with water. I already did that. I already pre-did it. It's to the 60, it's not halfway, but it doesn't have to be exactly halfway. It can maybe be a little under 40, 60. But you want it to be like 50, 60, or maybe 40. Then pour water over the beads in the test tube. Pour water over the beads in the test tube. I was just looking to see if I did it right. And then stir the beads in the test tube. So you're gonna take your stick, or you could use like maybe a spoon or something. I'm just gonna use a stick. Put it in and stir it. I'm stirring it for a little bit. Now I'm done. I'm gonna let my stick dry for a second. I'm gonna put the stick down right there. Wait a few minutes and watch what happens. So I'm watching what happens. If you can see, the polymer beads are starting to get a little bigger. I'm gonna stir them a little more. I just want to stir it again to see if anything maybe changes a little. So I see this fuzzy stuff. I think it might get bigger. That's why it's doing that, to expand. I'm going to stir it a few more times just to see if something will change. Now, if you can see, you see that the beads are kind of expanding. And there's white ones. You might not be able to see them because it's clear water. So if you can see them, they're white. There's one right there, it's white, so you might not be able to see it. So we are still watching the polymer beads. So it said it for a few minutes. So I'm still waiting. And it says on here with the picture, it's smaller and then it's a little like bigger. So I'm waiting for something to happen. I'm gonna stir it again because nothing's really happening. The polymer beads didn't do a lot so far. We are going to wait one more minute and then I'll show you what happened. So if you're using a stick, I just did a few times. You could do that, but then you might wanna after a few times how many I did, I forgot, but how many I did, you would want to kind of do the same amount. Because mine's a little wet. It might get super wet that I might break. So this is the polymer beads, how big they got. They got a little bigger. This is the experiment, Incredible Expanding Beads. I'm Dr. David. And bye, and remember to subscribe to D and Stocker's Adventures.